In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bigger in Confluence for better readability. If you've ever opened a page and felt like you were squinting at the screen, this walkthrough will show you a clean, consistent way to enlarge text using Confluence's built-in formatting tools without breaking your page layout. Start by opening the Confluence page where the text appears too small. Take a moment to scan the page so you know exactly which sections need attention. It helps to keep in mind who will read this content and on what devices, because the goal is clarity across desktops, laptops, and smaller screens. Next, click Edit in the upper right corner of the page to enter the editor. You'll see the formatting toolbar appear at the top. This is where we'll choose a larger style for the text. Before you change anything, consider the structure of your page. Using the right styles not only increases size, it also improves navigation and accessibility. Highlight the text you want to make bigger. You can drag your cursor across a sentence, paragraph, or an entire section. Double-clicking selects a word, and triple-clicking often selects a full paragraph, which can save time if you're adjusting longer blocks of text. Open the text style menu in the toolbar. It may appear as a drop-down labeled paragraph, normal text, or as a styles icon. This menu controls headings and other formatting that determine how large and prominent the text appears on the page. Select a larger heading style or formatting option that fits the content. For section titles, choose a heading level like heading 2 or heading 3 to increase size while maintaining a logical hierarchy. Avoid using the largest heading for body text. Instead, use a slightly larger option for subheadings and keep paragraphs as normal text for readability. Consistency is key. Apply the same style to similar elements so your page feels organized and intentional. Now, check if the text is easier to read. Look at line length, spacing, and how the bigger text flows with the rest of the page. If it feels too bold or overpowering, try a slightly smaller heading level. The goal is to make the content comfortable to scan without creating visual clutter. When you're satisfied, publish the page to save the larger font size. Use the Publish button in the top right corner. A brief change note can help teammates understand what you adjusted. That's it. Your Confluence page is now clearer, more accessible, and much easier on the eyes.